Hi guys, good morning. So for today's video guys, that's the one we call it puso from a banana heart. You need to cut the or peel. You need to peel it first, the hardest one, so that the mature one, and leave the baby skin. We're gonna cook. Put a coconut. Wala.
Kaya tipusan bitaw.
Chop it off. Still chopping it off. Not yet done. I'm the camera lady. I will help later, not now. Later, I'm gonna boil a water to put it there so that we can get the stickiness of the sticky. Or we call it dagta. I don't know what's the English of dagta.
Sticky juice.
Sticky juice. Boil it first to get the dagta. I don't know what's the English of dagta, and put a water and also a salt. Boil it for a couple of minutes. Break the coconut because we're gonna put that in our recipe. One of the recipe. My God, Jan.
Ano?
He said it's delicious.
Hey guys, plo is pakitang gilas na ya. Mundang na ron taod-taod.
Ako yung magkagod.
Okay, ako na say pa tiwaso na naron. There's a lot of coconut there. Plo is doing video because she's going to vlogger.
Katingin mo di ba?
Na, gikapoy na. Gamay pa kayo. Nagkagod gikapoy. Pakita ko no ha. Apit na ba na morot? Dagkaw na kayong singot. Iho na iro.
That's what we do if you want the coconut milk, then you do like that because it's not easy. I surrender. Two more left. He's almost done with his job. Good job, Jan. It's not yet boiled or boiling. I'm done with my laundry. That's my laundry. It's a lot of laundry. Chilling like a villain. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Cek. Cek. Kuan man, Ma'am Sally.
Ha? Cool na ka? Nagkuhan ka? Nag-ride ka? This is a lemon juice. Calamansi juice. There. This is the result, guys. Banana heart soup. This is our yellow corn rice. And this is the soup. Happy eating. We're almost in the river, guys. We're gonna catch a fish. There's a lot of fish in the river. Shark and alligator? There's no shark and alligator. Only in the ocean. Yes. There's a lot of fish there.
Ngô coi. Có nào này tiếng này buông con tiếng ăn đâu con tiếng.
We're gonna use that bamboo for the nylon.
Catch the fish.
Catching fish. We're gonna catch some fish. Fish. Natabi biyag.
Small man.
Small.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry da.
Sorry da. Dahil man na betangon fish fruit. Ah?
It's food.
Food.
Food for the fish. We're gonna catch. We're gonna put that in the.
Para fish the food.
Yes.
Para fishing food.
Yes. Fishing food.
Are we big one?
Yes.
Ba ako ni big one.
Huh?
Ako ni big one.
Yeah.
Uy. Dani. Dago. Danara na. Huwag nga tubig balik.
Itay sana. They tie that first in the bamboo.
Ano ba?
Ah, hormigas.
Naman na ko ang fish ito. Para butang na snake. Da, para butang ni snake da. Para butang na snake.
Gila, para mulutaw.
Ha?
Para mulutaw.
Litay?
Lutaw.
Isa mamik da. Ito
This is a
Earthworm.
earthworm. That's earthworm. Worm.
Warm egg da. Warm egg crab.
Earthworm.
We don't have chicken, so we just use ako ng earthworm for catching the fish.
Yan na mama da. Yan na mama. Kate unsa imo na putla?
Ipa-show sila de. We're gonna put that there.
Dako ako na fishing da. Tagay ko ako da.
Paguyit di.
Fish.
So yan.
Fishing rope. Da. Balik na fish da. Gamit ako da. Bigwan ako da. Para na be. Da. Ano to?
Oh, no, 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 no.
Wala imo da? Ha? Wala imo? Lapok ni ma. Ang snake ma. Mawa pa ako dis. Malako dis. Mana? Isa pa. Sina. Iput ko telala. Da.
We couldn't catch a fish, but the other day there's a lot of fish here. I don't know. Maybe because they're scared of us. Because Gabriel is so noisy. We need to go home na. It's not evening. There's a lot of mosquito. We're gonna go back here tomorrow. My God. He said it's just an ants daw, not mosquito. Let's go na lang. Balik naman taog madre. We're gonna go back here tomorrow. There's a first tomorrow na tomorrow. So haggard. Good noon, everybody. Na hi, say hi. Gabriel, say hi. Huy. Say hi, guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi be. Say hi. Say hi be.
Hi.
Ano ka?
Ngasa ni Gabriel good?
Dalaw tubig ka ba? Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Okay na ba yung camera din na? Video sa Akong giyon. Ha? Akong giyon. Isa na nagkon giyon.
Stop.
maabot.